Guys, so first I'm going to set my eyes with concealer, and then I'm going to be using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill quad, but I'm going to be using the palette Ring the Alarm, which is the warm tone palette. It's so beautiful, and as you can see, I was using Rush, but it started to kind of crease just because my eyelids were creasing. It wasn't obviously the eyeshadow doing it, but I just went in with a little bit more shadow and started blending out a little bit harder. And then I'm going in with a very small, precise brush, and I'm going to use the shade Secret, which is a beautiful brown shade. And I'm just going to use that in my crease. The reason I'm using such a small brush is because I don't want it to get into my lid or too high above the crease. I really just want to keep it in the crease, and I'm still using that brush just to blend it out. And then I'm going to use a bigger fluffy brush to just smoke everything out with a little bit of Rush on it again. And then as you can see here, I got a concealer all over my eyelashes, but I fix that later. And I'm just cutting my crease pretty much all the way down to the outer corner. I'm trying to get the concealer out of my lashes. And then I'm going in with Secret again on an even smaller brush, just to kind of define that line a little bit and make it a little bit more intense, because with all the blending, sometimes you lose the intensity of the shadows. And then I'm going in with that same brush I had, the first brush that I used in my crease, going in with Secret on my inner corner. But you can tell that, you can see that it looks like a little bit orange. I think I had a little bit of Rush on my brush because it was blending out weird, but then I just took a little bit more Secret, and I think it might have also just been the concealer because I didn't set my concealer with like a different shadow before that, but it all blended out, it all worked out. Then I'm taking the Life's a Drag, the white shade in the palette from Manny MUA, and then I'm just going to be blending Secret out again just to make sure everything is nice and seamless. And then I went out of frame a little bit, but then I'm just taking that small brush and Secret. I only use like 2 shadows basically out of the whole palette, but they're so beautiful, and I'm just rounding that out on the end and then blending everything together, making it all nice and seamless once again. And then I'm taking On Camera, which is a beautiful gold shade, and I'm just putting that in my inner corner just for a pop of something. Then this is the ColourPop, I think it's Skimpy lip liner. I think my last video said Skippy, but it's Skimpy. And then I'm taking the Dose of Colors collab with Desi and Katie in the shade Aftermath. This formula is beautiful. Their liquid lipstick, this lipstick, it's so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. That is it, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye!